Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video that is guys phone charging sound guys. How can we on it? Friends, we want to on guys Infinix phone by phone charging sound. So how can you on today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So when open your phone setting guys, after on phone setting guys, you can see this stuff setting in an Infinix phone device. So guys, we will click on phone sound and vibration. And sorry guys. And then guys scroll it. First you can see a phone charging sound and vibrations. We will on from here. After on guys, when you will charge guys your phone, so guys you can use guys phone charging sound when you will charge your phone. So like that guys, you can use guys Infinix phone guys phone charging sound setting guys, and you can on from your phone sound and vibration setting guys. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on phone charging sound. So bye bye guys. Thanks for watching the video guys.